In the life of web, there has been some series of evolution. First there was need to get information, then to connect, socialize, and now there is huge amount of information. But to get the right information at the right time, in the right context, to the right people is what the need of time.
How will it be if web understands our words, our necessity, even the extent of our interest, specifically without typing it out, probably from our interactions in websites?
Well, our team has been working in this project for the last 1 year with the vision of providing web users with personalized, optimum information. And our goal is to help companies bridge gap between business offerings and customers' interest.
Considering e-commerce website, most of the products are what companies want to sell and they may not satisfy users' need of time, their choice. This forms one of the major reasons for decreasing acquisition rate. We help companies understand their customers better by the depth of personalization that we do.
Users' interest varies with time. Some changes very frequently, some stays on for months, years. Understanding this, we give right impact to both short and long-term interest and precisely define users' real-time interest.
Today's website is stand out as separate islands, primarily with no internet connection and no sharing of information among them. Well, if we visit 4 websites and finally buy from the 5th one, the rest of the 4 websites have no idea what I have bought and hence loses precious information of what I wanted and where my interest lies.
There are search engines, social networks, and standalone websites like e-commerce. Each have a well-defined domain of operation, a clear-cut boundary of understanding users' behavior. User visits a website, interacts, and then leaves. Their interactions remain confined in that website. Now, actual interest can only be found if that is understood across a series of websites. We're actually providing that common platform for e-commerce companies.
We study users' interaction in social networks and other websites where our API is running and provide a common platform for e-commerce companies to precisely target their customers with right product through our API or use our website at www.pagelshoppers.com.
Currently, we are undergoing beta testing of the product, which is expected to get over by the end of March 2013. Well, we are also working with some of the top e-commerce companies in India, and our team and mentors consist of some of the best minds of IIT, MIT, and Harvard. We're really passionate and enthusiastic of revolutionizing the world of e-commerce, and with time, this will cater to other business verticals like advertisement and entertainment.